Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. For this video I am finally reviewing SakuraCo. For those who haven't heard of SakuraCo, they are a premium Japanese snack subscription box with a focus on bridging the gap between Japanese small makers with the rest of the world. I ordered 3 months of boxes, April, May and June, so let's dive into the review. Like with my Boxy review, I paid for this myself and I am not sponsored or affiliated with SakuraCo. If you'd like to watch my Boxy review, the link is in the description box below. On the website, when I first looked into ordering from SakuraCo, there was banners stating you could receive free shipping, but this seems to now be removed. Before shipping, 3 months of SakuraCo snack boxes were going to cost $101.50 US, or if you're Australian like me, $155.50 Australian, which I felt was pretty acceptable. But after finding out I would also be paying an additional $12.50 USD for shipping each month, I did cringe a little on the inside, as it brought the total up to $212.92 Australian. I can completely understand why Japanese companies that are doing monthly boxes charge in USD, but for those of us who don't use it, it is a big hit to the wallet. But I pushed on knowing that I was just about to get some extra dollary dues from doing overtime at work. 3 weeks later. Firstly, thanks to Australia Post for putting the Australian shipping label on top of the box so I can't film opening it without either 10 minutes of peeling the label off or doxing myself. April, as you would expect, is themed to Sakura season and is filled to the brim with Sakura flavoured goodies and snacks that would definitely fit right in at a Sakura viewing party. Our favourites were the Sakura Mochi from Seke in Hime Prefecture, with a beautiful bouncy texture and Sakura flavour that hit the spot. The Sakura Cream Cookie from Mie Prefecture that was nice and crisp, and the cream between the two biscuits had a subtle floral note. The Strawberry Manju was also a favourite of ours. It was nice and bouncy and the strawberry jam inside was absolutely beautiful. And finally, the Blueberry Hibiscus Tea, which tasted great either hot or cold. This box in itself was really strong and had a really good mix of sweet and savoury snacks. May was Hakone themed, and this was probably the weaker of the 3 boxes in regards to sticking with the theme. It should have probably been called Flavours of Kanagawa rather than Flavours of Hakone, but that is only really a small nitpick. This is also where we saw our first and only double up with Boxu in the Citrus Squid Noritan. Our favourites from this box were the White Miso Fancier, which was a beautiful bounce between the sweetness of the cake and the saltiness of the miso. The Peanut Macarons were these beautiful little morsels that you couldn't stop yourself from eating. Another firm favourite was the Tsuruno Sato Marshmallow. The marshmallow outside was lovely and soft and fluffy, and the yellow bean paste was something that I hadn't tried before and was really quite delicious. And my final favourite from this box was the Matcha Cognac Warabi Mochi. The green tea flavour was strong, but it wasn't overwhelming, and it was just an enjoyable, nice little snack. The final SakuraCo box that I got was the Traditions of Tokyo from June. There was a lot of snacks this time from Tokyo, and this month's booklet had a really big focus on tying in Tokyo with the first month of summer, so hydrangeas, matsuri, all those kinds of things. Our favourite snacks for the month were Mizu Warabi Mochi. This is like the raindrop mochi that you may have seen from Kyoto. You could cover it with soybean flour and molasses, and that made it pop even more. It was very enjoyable. The Hinare Are were really nice as well. There were crispy bits of wheat and soy. I found them very Moorish and quite enjoyable to eat. We also enjoyed the milk tea Belgian waffle, which had a really subtle tea flavour through it. Not too strong, so if you don't like tea, you'd still enjoy it. And finally, one of our favourites was the Hydrangea Amber Sugar. Now these are like the crystal jellies, so they've got a hard outer coating that is very thin, but when you chew through it, it is nice and jelly in the middle. I absolutely love these. I love the colour palette, and I only wish there was more. In comparison to Boxu, SakuraCo definitely feels more curated and tends to stay closer to its monthly theme. The snacks did feel and taste like they were more premium as well, and not that I could walk into a convenience store in Japan and just pick them up, which was something I did feel I could do with Boxu. SakuraCo also came with 2 bags or sachets of tea. With the blueberry tea in the April box, this was really appreciated because I wanted to try it both hot and iced. Boxu didn't do this, and there was a couple of their teas that I wanted to try either cold or iced, but couldn't because I had used my only tea bag. The only thing that does slightly let SakuraCo down for me is the price after conversion to Australian dollars. This was also a complaint I had for Boxu as well, and I absolutely understand that time and money goes into curating, packing and marketing these boxes, but it's still painful in the back pocket. That being said, if you do have the funds and are looking into monthly snack boxes, I would recommend Sakura Co over Boxu. The small added touches in regards to the tableware and the multiple tea packets and the better adherence to the theme makes it a better experience overall, especially if you're giving this as a gift. If you made it this far into the video, thank you very much for watching. Let me know in the comments below if there is another snack box I should try. If you enjoy me trying out snack boxes, make sure to like the video or subscribe to the channel so I know you'd like to see more of this kind of video.